Alright, we got a Razor go-kart that we found, and me and my son, little Robert, we ended up painting it, stripping it down, oiling it. You know, I just found out it's a 24 volt, not a 12 volt. Got some lights on there, got them covered right now. So we went with the Kona Brown. Pretty nice color, coming out of a can from Rust-Oleum. You got some of the parts over there, steering wheel, and then we got a foot pedal here. It's kind of covered, but it'll work. And once we get done with it, putting the seat, putting the bolts, tying up the motor, taking off all the tape, we'll let you guys see the rest.